All right, we are here with a Bandit SG-40, and this is my first impressions on this thing. So we just fired this thing up and attacked this pine stump here real quick, and I'm here to tell you what, I'm pretty impressed. This thing was just tearing into it. So I'm just going to do a quick run around. I'm not an expert on this unit yet. I will be. This is a unit that we have for sale. We've got other units with different hour ranges. If you're looking for something used, that's what we're here for. This particular unit's just over 150 hours, I believe it is, and it's a 38 horsepower Kohler fuel injected engine on this one, and this one has the green teeth is the wheel on this one. They also offer a Revolution wheel. This one's got the green teeth on it. So this thing tracks super smooth. Very perfect walking pace. So when you're tracking with this, it's a good walking pace with you. We'll fire that up and show you that here in a little bit. The swing rate range on this, I believe, is 40 inches, which is really impressive for this size of machine, how compact it is. I believe it's 26 inches wide, but it cuts a 40-inch wide radius on it. The cut height on this was great. We haven't got on below ground cutting with that quite yet, but pretty awesome little unit. The control station is in line for transport, getting it to your stump. So there's actually a place to put the pad here. You got two joysticks for your tracks, forward and reverse. You've got a slow down on the reverse. If you're backing up, you can limit your ground speed with it. And then the joystick runs your cutter wheel. So up, down, sweep left and right are the functions on that. We have a cutter wheel engagement right here. And then there's an emergency kill button right here for it also. The engine controls are on the engine. So your start and your throttle are right here, which is good. We're using the stock configuration on that Kohler engine here. So let's see here. What else was I going to show you? Oh, so controls, I really like this. We can operate from either this side, or if we're in a situation we want to go to the other side, we can operate either side with this machine. So I'm going to fire this thing up, and then I'll just kind of show you a little bit of its maneuverability and its speed real quick. So you can see even at idle, this thing travels real smooth. So you can see, I mean, you can control your ground speed with the throttle, but it's very responsive, gets around quick, and it's nice and smooth. So, so far so good. We're pretty impressed with this thing.